my bike. It's a very nice bike. It's orange, if you can't tell. I got the Cult OS frame. Had it over a year. Very nice frame. Light, durable. I got the Odyssey headset. Broke one of them and then just got a new one. They're not expensive. Got the Odyssey Directors. Second pair. First pair was in white. Never broke them. Just a good pair. I got the Marmoset hub laced to a G-Sport bird cage with Cult D-Hard tires for front and back. Just unreal. Love them. Love the wheel setup. For bars, I got Odyssey double spaced bars. Gotta get the doubles. Gotta do double bars all day, all time. I got the new Cult. What are they? The AKs, Cult AK grips. Just got them like 3 days ago. Boiled them. Super stretchy now. Just comfy. Extremely comfy. Cranks, I got the Odyssey Thunderbolts with Odyssey Mid BBs and Odyssey JCPC pedals. And then for sprocket, I got the $1 Million Odyssey. Literally put this thing through hell and back, and it hasn't broken, bent, anything. Chain is a normal KMC chain. And then lace, I got a G-Sport ratchet laced to another bird cage with Cult D-Hard tires with BSD hub guards for both front and back. The front I'm riding 2 Cult butter pegs. I actually like the butter pegs a lot more than my back peg. I got the Animal Butcher peg. Yes, that's a peg. Also got the Fiend seat. Probably one of the most comfortable seats I've ever had. Super comfy. Just, it's nice. It's just comfy. I like my butt being soft. These are just bands, and you just take the bars and the forks off and you put them on. A lot of people ask me, how do you put those on? It's really aggravating. Alright guys, that's my bike check. I don't think I've left anything out this time. Normally leave a lot of stuff out. So just go out and ride every day, all day, and just have fun. Peace.